और नॉन स्टॉप संगीत, और वो भी अलग अलग राज्य, अलग अलग शहरों से, किसका आइडिया था ये और किस तरह से ये आइडिया है?
ये आइडिया मेरा अपना ही था और बहुत पुराना आइडिया था। बिकॉज ऑफ लास्ट 4 ईयर मैं एक डीजे रहा हूँ, इंटरनेशनल डीजे रहा हूँ। आई प्ले इन द दुबई, आई एम प्ले इन द न्यूयॉर्क, आई एम प्ले इन द बैंकॉक, नेपाल एक्सेट्रा में बहुत जगह प्ले करा है। आई एम द वेरी फेमस डीजे इन द दिल्ली। एक कॉन्सेप्ट था कि एक ऐसा म्यूज़िक लाऊं क्लबिंग लाइन के अंदर कि लोगों को लगे एक इंसान 2 घंटे डांस कर लेता है, 3 घंटे। मैं नॉन स्टॉप 12 घंटे का लेके आया हूँ। अलग अलग जोनर है, जैसे मेरा अपना जोनर है ढोल वर्सेस डीजे। मैं मानता हूँ कि मैं अपनी बीट्स पे एक लाइव ढोली को कैसे उसको रिदम पे नचाना है लोगों, वो मुझे पता है। और इस कॉन्सेप्ट को माइंड में काफ़ी टाइम से था कि ऐसा कुछ करना है। एक जगह चाहिए थी करने के लिए, एक शहर चाहिए था मुझे करने के लिए जहाँ पर लोग म्यूज़िक के लिए दीवाने हों। और ये दीवानगी मुझे मुंबई के अंदर दिखी। कॉन्सेप्ट था, ठीक है। फिर चीज़ें हुई, आन कॉरपोरेशन को मैं अपने पास लाया, इसके अंडर आके मैंने ये इवेंट किया और मैं बड़ा खुश हूँ इस इवेंट को करने के लिए करके कि लोगों को एक नई चीज़ मिलेगी। इंडस्ट्री के लोगों को, लोग डीजे प्ले करते हैं, कोई रॉक प्ले करता है, कोई ईडीएम प्ले करता है, कोई बॉलीवुड प्ले करता है। इस सारे जोनर को ढोल वर्सेस डीजे का नाम देके इस कॉन्सेप्ट को मैं लाया मुंबई म्यूजिक फेस्टिवल को।
ओके,
अतुल जी, आप लोग यहाँ दीजिए, आपको चेहरा पर ऊपर जरा के।
किस बिना पे आपने बाकी जो लोग पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं, जो हिस्सा बन रहे हैं पूरे के पूरे शो का, उनको किस ग्राउंड पे चूज किया है? और भी डीजे हैं जो इस पूरे के पूरे फेस्टिवल का हिस्सा हैं।
डीजे मैं मानता हूँ इंडिया में बहुत सारे हैं, पर हर एक डीजे का एक अपना जोनर होता है। जैसे लोएड है, टेरी मिको है, या डीजे विक है, मैं हूँ। मेरा जोनर है ढोल वर्सेस डीजे। मैं अपने एक लाइव प्रोगोनिस्ट को रख के प्ले करता हूँ। हर इंसान का, जैसे कोई ट्रैप बजाता है, कोई ईडीएम बजाता है, उसका जोनर ईडीएम है। वो ईडीएम के अलावा और कुछ नहीं बजा सकता। तो इसलिए मैंने वो पूरी 6-7 लोगों की टीम इकट्ठा करी। जो जो म्यूज़िकल जोनर था उनका वो जोनर अच्छा लगा। मुझे लगा कि 10 लोगों में से ये एक आदमी है जिसका जोनर बेस्ट है। तो इसलिए ऐसे करके मैंने मुंबई म्यूजिकल फेस्टिवल के लिए पूरी टीम तैयार कर ली।
क्या टारगेटेड ऑडियंस कौन रहेगी आपकी?
टारगेट ऑडियंस मेरी अच्छे लोग, अच्छी गैदरिंग, गुड कपल्स, इंडस्ट्री रहेगी, मीडिया रहेगी, सेलिब्रिटीज़ रहेगी, चाहे वो टीवी इंडस्ट्री से हो, चाहे वो बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री से हो। सारी टारगेट ऑडियंस है मेरी।
ओके, मुंबई जैसे शहर में इस तरह का मौका मिलना जहां आप शो करने जा रहे हैं, ये कितना पॉजिटिव साइन मानते हैं? और क्या मानते हैं कि मुंबई की ऑडियंस संगीत ज़्यादा अच्छे से समझती है एज कंपेयर टू अदर सिटीज़?
जो शहर संगीत बनाता हो उस शहर में संगीत से ज़्यादा समझदार लोग तो नहीं होंगे, क्योंकि ये शहर ही लोगों का म्यूज़िक देता है।
9X जैसा चैनल, आई कैन सी दे आर म्यूजिकल पार्टनर ऑफ द शो। ये कितनी बड़ी बात है कि एक म्यूजिकल चैनल जो ऑलरेडी काफ़ी एस्टेब्लिश है, वो कितना अच्छा साइन है।
मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा साइन है कि मेरा फर्स्ट इवेंट इन मुंबई के अंदर है और 9XM मेरे इस इवेंट को लेके आ रहा है, तो मेरे लिए तो बहुत बड़ी बात है।
क्या नर्वसनेस है, क्या चैलेंजेस हैं आपके दिमाग में?
चैलेंजेस मेरे दिमाग में, चैलेंज तो कोई कुछ भी नहीं है। मुझे अपने ऊपर यकीन है कि मैं लोगों को ढोल वर्सेस डीजे बीट्स पे नचा सकता हूँ। मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस मेरे लिए बहुत है।
12 घंटे तक लोगों को बांधे रखना, ये कितना मुश्किल और आसान होगा?
बहुत आसान होगा। हाँ, एक आप मॉर्निंग में उठते हैं तो आपको सुबह से जो म्यूज़िक सुनते हैं वो अलग होता है, दोपहर का म्यूज़िक अलग होता है, शाम को म्यूज़िक अलग होता है, रात को अलग होता है। तो वही जोनर मैं लेके आया हूँ कि हर 2 घंटे बाद म्यूज़िक चेंज हो रहा है। तो लोग सोचते हैं ना कि यार इसके बाद क्या नया आएगा। 12 घंटे लोग बंदे रहेंगे।
थैंक यू सो मच।
बैठने वाली
सर, और क्या है? How excited you are? Something absolutely different, absolutely new. How excited you are?
Absolutely delighted, very overwhelmed, looking forward to the event.
What are the challenges there in your head, while interacting and playing music that 2 for 12 hours non-stop? What are the challenges there in your head?
Not much, yeah, it's a fun job. I mean, so yeah, just looking forward to it and just hope everyone has a good time. So it's the main challenge is just making sure that everyone is happy. Bombay is a really diverse city, so it's a lot of different tastes that you need to tend to. So as long as everyone's happy, you've done a good job. So that's the only main challenge that we've learned to overcome now.
What's your take on the entire idea about this initiative where you're getting?
I mean, it's always a lot of fun, lot of friends coming together. I mean, most DJs in the industry, promoters, it's a big family, so all of them coming together, it's always a fun concept. A club doing a festival, all-day festival is a new thing definitely, so hopefully it's something that occurs more often now.
Do you think it's a good start in Mumbai instead of choosing some other city is getting started?
No. Mumbai. It had to start from Mumbai. It's just that mainly for the numbers that we have here, the age groups and the crowd, they will actually start, because there are certain people who can come out during the day and not at night, and some the other way around. So yeah, we have the perfect blend of diversity and people in the city. So yeah, it makes sense to start in Bombay.
Are the people, are the audience getting some sort of information? This is for 18 to 20.
Absolutely, everybody in the city knows that nightclubs will not allow you if you're below a certain age. So yeah, that will be taken care of, I'm sure.
What message do you want to give to the audience? Why they come and be a part of this?
Because it's a brand new experience. It's a lot of different DJs, a lot of different styles of music. It's not something you're going to see every day, all come together in one place. So it should be a good experience for everyone and not something you should miss out on.
Thank you, buddy.
Thank you.
Buddy.
Okay.
नहीं दिख रहा मुझे इसमें यहाँ पर।
या जी किशन
सर क्या कहना चाहिए आज आप किस तरह से इस इवेंट से जुड़े और क्या होने जा रहा है नया?
Can I speak in English, right? Is this okay, right?
As per your
No, so basically this is a very exciting platform for Mumbai, and to have some of the very renowned DJs sharing one platform, coming together and experiencing electronic dance music in all sorts of forms, whether it's hip hop, R&B, house, and the top 40s. So I think this is going to be a great united event with multiple DJs coming in and sharing what they have in their skill set, in their choice of music, and the experience overall. I think it's going to be a huge thing that will be cherished by everyone who will visit that place.
Do you think it will work out in Mumbai? This kind of music, multiple?
I think Mumbai has such a vast choice when it comes to event partying, when it comes to clubbing, when it comes to choice of music, the kind of music we listen to on the radio, and of course there are multiple events and parties that we go to, whether it be techno, EDM, hip hop, R&B, and Mombatan, and so many other new dance genres that are coming in. I think this is a great advantage for people who want to appreciate not only what they like, they come and experience something that goes and blends with what they like. So it is something that I believe should really be something that will create a trend to have this event more often.
What is your planning for that day? What is your
my plan is actually I have kept a lot of surprises, and I would love for you to come and be a part of it and witness what I have planned. And if you follow me on my page, which is DJ Lloyd, aka the Bombay Bounce or Lloyd Gessler, however, and you will know a little of what style of music I play. And I play music that is very happy and that has a lot of elements of skill sets in terms of surprises. I take popular tracks and play around with it to make it a little different, add some more energy. So it's not like the regular radio mixes.
the Ramzan month is there any special for Ramzan? Any you will keep any song?
I don't really know how we will like to plug this event, as we know most of our friends are fasting and they are and praying, and I'm pretty sure that they have the newer modern friends of ours who will be fasting, and out of respect they will come and support it. But the music definitely is going to be vast. It's not going to be particularly for one event or one festival as such. So it is a music festival, so it's open for everything. It has no barrier, no language, and has no connection to any color or caste.
After that, after Mumbai, which city you are going to plan out?
After Mumbai, we are looking at once this event is done, we will be getting in a lot of opportunities to take this project to multiple cities, at least the metropolitans. We could go take it to Pune, we could take it to Chennai or Bangalore, Hyderabad, that's in the south. We could go to Delhi, Chandigarh, and Calcutta. So I'm pretty sure that something like this will really create the buzz for everyone to come and party and not put it in one particular category that I'm only going to listen to EDM music or I'm going to only listen to Bollywood music. So people come from all choices and all walks of life, and with different. It's a good variety. It's versatile. So I think it has room for everyone to come in and have fun.
How much response you receive from?
How's the response at the moment? You know, this
Ticket
long way
sales.
to go, but still, how's the response on your Facebook, on your official Twitter? You know, how's the response at the moment?
See, I live in Bombay. I'm born and brought up in Bombay. We party a lot with our party goers of Bombay. So of course the response will be very positive as of right now. And since it's planned for a nice weekend, I'm pretty sure that the turnout will be great. We are hoping it's going to be a packed house. But yes, we'd like to urge every single one who's watching this that to make sure you get onto the link, try and get your early bird passes, or you book your space in the place before we get sold out. So I'm being confident. I'm just hoping that you guys be a part and not miss out on something as good as this event.
Okay, being a Mumbaikar or being a DJ, what time slot you have chosen for yourself? You know the Mumbai crowd. You know there are so many DJs amongst you. You know there's so many people part of this music festival. What time slot you have chosen? Though it is 4 to 4, it's 12-hour affair.
Yeah.
What is the time slot you have chosen?
I honestly, the time slot hasn't been yet disclosed, because we are going to look at the flow of the night, and chances are I may do 2 sets, I may do 1 set, depending on how we break the entire flow of curating the DJs. But I'm pretty sure that I will be performing when we have a decent crowd and gathering there. So there'll be a start part and there'll be an end part which may have the opening and the closing DJs. But I'm pretty sure I'll be somewhere in the middle.
Thank you.
This is 12-hour music. Do you get permission from the Mumbai Police during this event?
See, the good thing is that we're starting early. If we're starting early, we're ending early. So I don't know if we are going to be crossing any lines or disturbing any law in any way. So it's well thought of, well planned.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay.